The iQOO Neo 10 and Neo 10 Pro went official in China last week, and now there's already talk of a third member joining the family soon. iQOO Neo 10 Art could launch in India soon, according to recent online leaks. The rumored iQOO Neo 10 Art could be a rebranded version of the vanilla variant of the iQOO Neo 10. iQOO Neo 10 Art comes with a 6.78-inch 144Hz AMOLED 8T LTPO curved display and 4500 nit peak brightness. iQOO Neo 10 are powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with Q2 chipset with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, enhancing stability and overall system efficiency during gaming and multitasking. Feature a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle, and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. iQOO Neo 10 are powered by 6100 mAh battery with 120W wired fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.